In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Teal Job Tracker. First, open your browser and go to Teal's official website. Make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on the home page, click Trackers on the left side. Here, you'll see different job application stages such as bookmark, applying, applied, interviewing, negotiating, and accepted. To add a new job, click Add Job, enter the necessary details, and save it. Once saved, the job will appear in your tracker. From here, you can track important information such as the job title, company name, salary, and location. You can also update the application status using the drop-down menu, making it easy to keep track of where you are in the hiring process. The selected status will automatically appear in the filters at the top. In addition, you can view details such as the date the job was saved, application deadline, date applied, and follow-up date. You can even rate your excitement level for each opportunity by selecting the number of stars that best reflects your interest in the position. And that's it. That's how you use the Teal Job Tracker.